Hand to your head. Point to the sky. Point to the floor. Touch your scroll. Touch your nose.
Good job.
Touch your scroll. Touch your shoulder underneath.
Bottom shoulder.
Good, good. Good on God. Now let's get this rolling. So that it's just hanging out of the way of the feet like that. Okay? Alright. Hand your nose. Hand your ear. Hand your scroll.
That scroll up, sweetie.
Now bring your hand down underneath your fiddle and put it on your shoulder. Right here. That's called the shoulder of the violin.
Bottom shoulder.
You do the bottom shoulder right there. There you go. Bottom
There you
shoulder.
go.
Bring your violin out. Put your violin back.
By the shoulder, sweetie.
That was good. That was good. All
Hold
right,
it by the
let's do
shoulder.
it again. Bring it out.
Good job. Perfect.
On the shoulder. Inside on the shoulder.
Come on in. Okay. All right, everybody, back and rest position.